Verir misin? Ver.
How those are my Cheetos! What are you doing?
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
John and I have
Can I bite your tongue like my bad habit?
Felix, honey, you can leave the kitchen. I'm cutting onions, sweetheart.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your
My mom was cutting onions and the cat is sitting there like crying.
Do ba 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 do.
Wow.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Alamak, alamak, alamak.
I literally just put fresh litter in here. I can't win.
You are a fox. Funky. Hurt anybody else.
Can you say gato?
Another day, another victory for the OG, taking down the sweats, the imposters among us.
Me cuesta trabajo entender cómo de verdad hay gente que todavía no entiende la puta vibra, güey.
No, 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 no.